The earth beneath your feet knows no hurry. She carries mountains that were born millions of years ago. Lets rivers find their way through rocks and makes room for root systems that reach deeper than you will ever see. In her stillness, everything that lives grows, from the smallest flower to the tallest tree finds its home here. When you place your feet consciously on the ground, you feel how she receives you. As a mother carries her child, so the earth supports every step you take. In moments of confusion or uncertainty, she reminds you that you always belong somewhere. Her steady ground gives you the space to grow, to become yourself, to find your own way. In the warmth of sunlight on your skin, in the scent of earth after rain, in the sound of rustling leaves, she speaks her language of unconditional love. You are not alone. You are connected to everything that lives, part of a whole that is greater than yours.